Hi, today for the MOTOROLA Moto G Pure, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application, and then in the search bar you should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. So after that, just open the app, click to yes I agree, be close, and then tap to OK. So here you'll see information about battery temperature, that's 28 and 3 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery voltage, health, just model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.